Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and before we get started with this video, I just want to say a big thank you to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. And in today's video, we're gonna be installing this wig, 22 inches, water wave, frontal. Y'all see lace? Y'all see the scalp? Oh, okay. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to use my code DOFFINEFFECT at checkout when you purchase a wig from Luvmehair. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I did the ball cap. Well, it's not really a ball cap, so now we're gonna put the wig on. Let's see what it's giving. See? I cut my lace on my head, so I'm gonna cut it first. Yeah. I use one of these to cut it, so now I'm gonna cut the lace. It's okay. We're gonna fix this. We have to fix it because. So I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it, and yeah. So I basically cut up a piece of lace on the side right here, and I'm gonna put some glue on it, we're gonna hope that it actually works. You know what? Like the old me would have freaked out and would have said F this. But you know, I'm working on being more positive and not letting things affect me too much. So, you see this? That's where it split. No cap, I would probably like just sew it back together, but I don't have clear thread. So this gonna have to do. Did something. Show you the front, because now I gotta be real gentle with it so it doesn't come off. Let this be a lesson to not cut the lace while you hold it. I usually don't like baby hairs on top, but I'm gonna have to do one because the lace is messed up. But you can't even tell in person because it still looks pretty good. So I'm gonna move this back. I always do top, then side, okay? Damn, can you guys even see the lace? Again, it's like the edges to make sure like it's what they said it was supposed to do, you know? Girl, what lace? So now we're gonna go with a water bottle with conditioner, and we're gonna spray the hair. I'm impressed, okay? So now let's take this off and then we can do our baby hair. and see what he do, what he do, what he do, and what he do. What? I'm using that wavy and I'm using the got to be. So I did the baby hair. What do we think? This is my first time doing that much baby hair, and I don't know how I feel about it because I'm usually not a big fan of baby hair myself, especially not that many because I don't need it. And even now, I still don't think I need that much baby hair, but it's kind of cute. Yes. So now that the baby hair situation is done with, even though I didn't need the baby hair, we're gonna see what he do. I think the hair is dry now. And honestly, I want to style it because like that. Go ahead. This. Taking my hair behind. Yeah. Let's do pros and cons because this is the end. That's it for me. Like, I'm done installing it. There's nothing more I'm gonna do to it because I think it's very beautiful, very much giving what they said it was supposed to give. So pros, the lace, wonderful. Like, they have such good lace, it just melts right onto your skin. Like, but the only thing is you guys have to make the lace bigger because that little lace thing, I don't like that. I wanted to show you guys my lace in the sun, how it looks, and beautiful. Only thing is the hair's not full as I like it to be because I really like big voluminous hair. But other than that, you need to get one, baby. Summertime is coming, period. Okay, and that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to use my code DOFFINEFFECT when you go purchase this wig for some money off, because who doesn't like money off? Okay, now bye guys.